Lightshot is a screen capture software. It's free. It's free, easy to install. You can go to the download section and you just install it for Windows or Mac, or if you're using Linux. I already have it installed, so I'll just give you an example of what happens. Then you just hit the print screen button and you can see what area you want to highlight. You can use tools. You can change the color of your arrow. Oops. You can draw on it. You can do a variety of things to indicate what the problem is. Look, here is the issue. And even highlight certain areas. Then your options are you can save it and give it a name and save it on your own PC, or you can make a copy of it and paste it into Skype. Just copy and paste into Skype. Or if you're going to put something in an email, you can upload it to print screen, in which case it'll give you a little short URL that you can put into a, like so. You can put this, copy this, and put this into an email. And when somebody opens up the link, they'll see this. What you just copied here. Do you see? So Lightshot is something that you should probably install. Again, you can use the copy and paste feature to post it into Skype. You can use the link feature to post it into emails. And that's going to be the best way to get across what you're having an issue with. Now, what's very important in many cases is when you do use print screen, if you gather the entire screen, then you can point out, or we can see, what URL you're on, so we know what you're trying to do. All right, so you want to get all of the information in there. That's all. Lightshot's a great tool, and it's a good communication method. Thank you.